everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 4th to the 8th of July 2022 on Monday. The Diales are unnerved by Mbali's strange behavior. Sphe realizes the problem with burning bridges is that sometimes they can't be rebuilt. Belen needs to win, but is it worth the risk on Tuesday? Kabisi starts asking questions which reveal a shocking answer. Mregza advises a friend to get to the bottom of what bugging him. When it comes to being a mother, Lucy is completely out of her depth on Wednesday. And Angry Mazu makes it clear who is in charge of Morocco media. Pamela realizes Leletu is hiding something from her. Pilani takes a great delight in pressing Kosiabo's buttons on Thursday. Luyolo is floored to hear someone he trusted sold him out. An angry Kuku shows up at the shipping but gets way more than she bargained for. Sphe witnesses a secret meeting and try to find out more on Friday. Lerumo has a reputation to uphold and will do so at all costs. Lucy thinks she might be losing her touch in intimidation. Kabisi heads home for the night, oblivious of the danger lurking. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.